My name is Gaston Kaufer Barbe, and I am the co-founder and CEO of Toucan Insights. During my years as a marketing professional, I realized that in many occasions we were struggling to take the right decisions because we were lacking the appropriate marketing information. This was particularly true of consumer insights. Companies offering a sound, comprehensive service were only focusing in one research area or were not able to provide what customers needed. While doing my MBA in London, I started to discuss this issue with my current business partner, Octavio. Together, we decided to talk to both managers and researchers in order to have a better knowledge about the market. After graduating, we decided to start Toucan Insights, aiming to provide a cutting-edge, comprehensive marketing research service. In order to do so, we invited Jana Eckert and Pauline McLaren to join our team. They are two outstanding and very extensively published marketing and consumer culture professionals. At the same time, we started conversations with multinational nodos in order to add a new level of granularity into our analysis. Currently, we're expanding our businesses into Latin America with a new team member working from Santiago de Chile. And our goal for this first year is to expand our presence in 3 markets: the UK, LATAM, and Benelux. Thank you very much.